In today's video, we will gonna learn about how to make a fiscal calendar in Power BI under 5 minutes. So first of all, welcome all your guys to the BI Guide channel, aka the Solution Architect. So in the last video, we made a normal calendar in the Power BI using DAX and Power Query, which got around 20,000 views. So we also explained in the last video what is the need of a calendar in the Power BI, and we made the normal calendar as I said on the Power BI, and you can find the link to that video in the pinned comment right now. So let's jump to the practical part of this video, making a fiscal calendar. Let's start. So as you can see in the last video, if you haven't seen it, the link is in the pinned comment. You can go and watch it right away. So we created these all columns like year, month, quarter, fiscal month, quarter name. And in today's video, we will learn how to make a fiscal year, fiscal month number, fiscal quarter number to analyze and write multiple calculation based on fiscal wherever it is needed. So what we will do is we will create a new column. Let's say I will name this financial year. So for financial year, I have written this logic. And here you can see our date has been converted to the financial year. Or let me correct it. I have made a small mistake, I think. So you can see that my year, which is in 2019, like 23, 8 and 2019. Now it has been converted to a fiscal year, which is 2019-20. So I have written this logic for this. Let's understand this logic. So firstly, I have created the first variable, which is named as check, under which I am checking what is the month number going. Like I have given this month from the date greater than equal to 4. I will cover this over here. So let's move to next variable. And in the second variable I created by me is the current year, in which I am finding what is the current year going on. In the third variable, I am finding what was the previous year, just simply minusing the current year minus 1. Similarly, the new year. New year will be current year plus 1. So this is the main logic which is working to calculate this financial year, which says like it is the if else statement. It will check if the statement is true, that the month number is equal to 4 or greater than 4. So then it will concat the current year with the new year. Like if the month is number 4 or greater than 4, then it will simply concat our current 2019 and the next year, which is 2020. And here we can see that output. And simply if it will be less than 4, so it will concat previous year with the current year. As everyone knows, the financial year starts from April. So this logic will work accordingly. So now we will calculate a new column name as FY month number. As we cannot calculate month because month will remain same if it is January or February, it doesn't matter. According to the fiscal year, it is same, but the month number differs. So let's calculate. So in this also we will have a variable named as check, and under this we will change the if else statement. Like after checking, we will calculate the month which is going. Let's say month from the calendar date, and simply minus 3 I will do it. I will tell you the logic after doing it. And if it is not, then I will say month and calendar date again, close the bracket, plus 9, and I will just hit enter. So here you can see that my fiscal month number has been created. Under this, what I have done is I just simply checked the condition whether the month number is greater than or equal to 4. Let's say it is 8. So the condition is true, and hence we will just minus 3 months from the ongoing month, and we will get the fiscal month number. As the fiscal year starts from April, so April will be considered as first month. Similarly, if the condition fails, let's say the month number is less than 4, So it means like January, February, or March. Only three conditions fall under this. So in those cases, we have to just add 9 to that number which is getting as an output, and the fiscal month number will come. Our new next column will be fiscal quarter QT, or let's see what's the logic of this. So in simply this, we can concatenate our quarter, and we will extract quarter from eDate. eDate is a function which can calculate the calculation after or before a certain number of months. So let's add the calendar date. So we have deducted 3 months from it because the fiscal month starts from April. So here are the quarter, and to match it, I need to add one more concat statement, I guess. That will be like this, and here it is. So it was falling earlier in quarter 3, but according to fiscal calculation, it will be falling in quarter 2. I think you liked my video. In this video, we have completed the fiscal year calculation also. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Yeah, that's it.